Hello, beautiful soul. I'm Edith, and I am so glad you are here with me today. If you've ever felt that weight, that heaviness that can sometimes settle in on a difficult day, I want you to know you are not alone in that feeling. Today, we are going to take just 5 minutes together for a gentle reset session. Think of this as a quiet moment carved out just for you, a chance to come back to yourself when your mind feels loud or your spirit feels tired. There is no pressure here, no expectation, just a soft place to land. Captions are on. Use them if it helps. This time is yours and yours alone. I'm simply here to guide you, but you are in control. If any part of this doesn't feel right for you today, you have my full permission to pause. You have my full permission to skip a step. You have my full permission to simply sit and be still. The most important thing you can do right now is honor what you need. My intention is to offer a small collection of tools, little anchors you can use to find your footing again. So let's take a deep breath. When you're ready, we can begin this journey back to a lighter space, together. Remember, the goal isn't to fix everything in 5 minutes. It's always with us, a constant, steady rhythm beneath the surface of everything else. We're going to do a simple, calming breath together. You can do this anywhere you are, sitting, standing, lying down. There is truly no rush. Just allow yourself to be present in this single moment. We will breathe in for a count of 4. Hold that breath gently for a count of 4, and then release it slowly for a count of 4. When you're ready, let's try one together. Gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you, or soften your gaze on a single point in front of you. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold that breath at the top, a moment of stillness. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, a slow, full exhale through your mouth, letting it all go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Let's do that once more, just settling into the rhythm, feeling the air fill your lungs and then release. This simple act is a powerful declaration that you are here, you are present, and you are taking this moment for yourself. It anchors you to your body and to this exact spot in time, pulling you away from the swirling thoughts of yesterday or the worries of tomorrow. Your breath is your anchor in any storm. Remember this feeling. You can come back to it at any point in your day when you need to find your center. You've just given yourself a beautiful gift of presence. Now, let's invite a little bit of gentle movement into the body. When we feel heavy in our minds, that feeling can often get trapped in our physical selves, shoulders, neck, back. If it feels okay for you, I invite you to just begin by slowly rolling your shoulders up toward your ears and then letting them fall down your back. Feel that release. Do it again, just noticing the sensation of movement. Now, if you're able, try reaching your arms up over your head as if you're trying to touch the ceiling. Wiggle your fingers, give them a little wave. Feel that stretch all the way from your fingertips down through your sides. You could even do a gentle twist from side to side if that feels good. If you've been sitting for a while, perhaps just the simple act of standing up for 30 seconds can change your entire perspective. This is about listening to what your body is asking for. There is no right or wrong way to do this. Maybe all you can manage is wiggling your toes inside your shoes, and I want you to know, that is more than enough. You are simply reminding your body that it is here, that it is capable, and that it deserves to feel a little more at ease. You are gently waking it up, thanking it for carrying you through this day. When our thoughts are racing, one of the most powerful things we can do is bring ourselves back into our senses, back into the physical world around us. We're going to do this together using a technique called 5-4-3-2-1. I'll guide you through it slowly. Let's start with 5. Right where you are, name 5 things you can see. The color of the wall, a plant in the corner, the light from the window, a book on your table, the pattern on your sleeve. I know that on days like this, it can feel like you've accomplished nothing. The to-do list seems endless, and your energy feels so limited. But I want to challenge that thought just for a moment. I invite you to think back on your day so far and find just one tiny thing you have done. What is one small thing you did today? Did you get out of bed? Did you drink a glass of water? Did you reply to one email? Did you take your medication? Did you press play on this very video? Whatever that one small thing is, I want you to hold it in your mind. Now, instead of dismissing it as not enough, let's reframe it. That one thing was not just a task. It was an act of showing up for yourself. Getting out of bed on a hard day is an act of courage. Drinking that water was an act of self-care. Answering that email was an act of responsibility. Choosing to be here right now is a profound act of self-compassion. This matters. This one small thing, it truly matters. It is a building block. It is proof that even on the hardest days, there is a part of you that is still fighting, still trying, still moving forward, even if it's just an inch. I want you to take a moment and say to yourself, I did that, and that was enough for right now. Acknowledge your own effort, no matter how small it may seem. You are making progress. Your environment has such a profound impact on your inner world. So right now, let's take a moment to create a tiny sanctuary, a mini safe space, wherever you are. This is about surrounding yourself with immediate comfort,